Hi, this is Aaron Richter doing a walk-around video for Taylor & Son Chevrolet on our 2019 Chevy Tahoe LT. Really nice vehicle, factory certified, so it's really almost like a brand new vehicle. It's got a lot of nice features that make anybody happy. We'll do a quick walk around to the outside and then jump over to the inside features here. Moving forward, you can see she's in pretty dang good shape, walking down the body panels and stuff. I want to point out any imperfections or anything that might stand out. Looks really good around the front driver's side. There is a little nick to point out on this passenger side front bumper, and it looks like it's been color coded and fixed, but it does stand out if you get real close to it. Right there backing away, you can see where that's at. Real clean engine compartment, 5.3 liter V8 in this one, like new in there. Close this up. Real nice. Moving around to the passenger side, like the rims and tires in great condition, look really good. Like getting in there underneath, there's no corrosion or anything like that. Looks nice and new in there. Coming back, looks like they left a little wax when they waxed it. Yep, that's all that is. No real imperfections going down the passenger side. Looks real nice. The rails on top. There is on the rear passenger side bumper, just like that front, it looks like they paint matched it and fixed it. There was just a little scratch and scuff. I don't know if you can even see that in the video, but it's minor to say the least. And then looks like maybe just a little white scuff there on the black. This one's cool. It's got the power release tailgate, so you can open that up with a quick key fob click. Opens up for that cargo area. Again, wheels and tires all the way around, like I said, look really good. Underside again. Moving down the side of the vehicle all the way around now, the outside looks really good. Just those few little imperfections in the paint. Opening it up. This one's pretty much like a new vehicle on the interior. Looks really nice. Got those Bose speakers. Premium sound in this one. Entertainment package. Comes with some nice things like the DVD players if you got kids or you just like to watch a movie from time to time. A lot of safety features. Skylights. Again, the panel, there's maybe just, I don't even know if you can see that. There's some itty bitty scratches right there. That's the only thing I could find really on the interior. Otherwise, looks like a new interior. Got that big storage compartment. And that leather interior, that light gray leather interior looks really good. Carpet on this one, again, looks in really great condition. And the rear driver's side, again, door panel. No dings, nicks, or imperfections in that. Looks really good. And the carpet in the rear looks really good as well. You got that rear climate control and heated seats in this second row bench. Again, the gray interior looks really good in my opinion. Moving around to the back. In that cargo area, you got the power down seats. And away she goes. Hit a button here. And watch those seats fold right up, giving you that flat, usable cargo space, really nice. And same thing, fold those back up, just hit a button, and away they go. Really cool. And same with the liftgate. Hit the key fob or the one-touch button on the rear of the liftgate, and that puppy will fold right up or down. Moving around to the passenger side. Door panel, again, looks really good. Onto the interior again from the passenger side. Carpet. And there's the rear seat. Again, looks like new. Really, really nice. Yep. All right, moving around to the front passenger seat. Got power adjustable seats, both driver and passenger. Looks really good. Again, this side of the console. Again, all the climate control and different radio settings and buttons look good. Dash looks pristine. Even the back side of the window or mirror caps and everything like that look pretty good. One itty bitty little scratch on the passenger side hood there. Looked like a rock might have flung up. Other than that, like the chrome around the front emblem and everything looks really good. No chips or dings. She's a great looking vehicle. You save a bundle of money with one of these when you're looking at these factory certified ones versus a new one with the same content. Again, there's that DVD player. And that's a nice feature for sure, built in. And that skylight as well from the back. One little thing to point out, there is a little scuff right there on the rub rail, a little white scuff. I'm not sure if they were carrying something or whatnot, but very insignificant, minor. But overall, this one's looking really nice. I'll back up again, get the full view. And there you have it, our 2019 Tahoe LT certified factory vehicle. It's really nice. Thanks for your interest.